click Start and then type NVIDIA Control Panel. And of course, from the search results, select the NVIDIA Control Panel. Great, so now you should see all of the NVIDIA settings. So now go on top, click where it says Desktop, and make sure this option is checked. The one that says Add Desktop Context Menu, very important. So now let me show you something here. Let me purposefully uncheck this. So as you can see, when I right click the desktop now, there is no NVIDIA Control Panel. And now if I make sure this option is checked, there you go. When I right click the desktop, as you can see, the NVIDIA Control Panel now appears. So this may have been your problem. You probably accidentally unchecked this feature from the NVIDIA Control Panel, which is why it wasn't showing in the desktop. Okay, now for the second way. Let's say the NVIDIA Control Panel is not working at all and it's not showing up on your Windows 10 PC. Well, one thing that will definitely work is completely reinstalling the drivers. And to do that, we are going to first uninstall the current drivers we have because those may be faulty. So all you have to do is right click the Start button and then select Device Manager. Alright, so now you are going to see all of the devices on your PC. Go to where it says Display Adapters, click the arrow next to it to expand the options, and there you go, you should see your NVIDIA graphics. If you don't see it, then that means you don't have the NVIDIA drivers installed, and that's okay because we are going to install them. As a matter of fact, if you don't have the drivers, this completely explains why you don't see the NVIDIA Control Panel. And if you do have the drivers, meaning you do see the NVIDIA graphics from the Device Manager, it may be that the driver is acting up or it's faulty. So we are going to remove that and then install the new ones. So go ahead, right click the NVIDIA graphics and then click Uninstall Device. Okay, so at this point, we are going to get the right drivers for your PC. And no, we are not doing this via Windows Update because that's a hit or miss. We are going to get the drivers from NVIDIA itself, from the original source, from the original manufacturer. To do that, go ahead and open up your web browser. And then from that point, go ahead and do a search for NVIDIA drivers download. And of course, make sure the site you go to is from NVIDIA itself, no third-party websites. Alright, so now this will take you to NVIDIA's official drivers download page. And I will have a link to all of this in the video description. And I also have a link to the GeForce Experience, which if you have a GeForce card, will automatically install drivers for you. So be sure to check those out as well. What I like about the official download page, or classic download page, is that it shows you the drivers for each NVIDIA product category. We're coming here from Titan, Quadros, GeForce, so regardless of what type of NVIDIA graphics you have, you can find the drivers for it. So that's it. Go ahead and sort through these categories and search for the right driver for your PC and download that, install it, restart your PC, and there you go. This should completely fix your problem. Now, a little fun fact here, you can actually get the NVIDIA Control Panel from the Microsoft Store itself, but me personally, that's not the way I would go about it. It's best to install the drivers fresh and get a fresh new start with NVIDIA, and this will likely fix your issue. And so that's it. That's how you can fix that problem on Windows 10 where the NVIDIA Control Panel is not showing up. For more videos like this that are simple and straight to the point, please subscribe and thanks for watching.